Stay out of the shower.
What do you need, sir?
Calling the cops right now. The cops are coming.
Welcome to Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hello? I called the cops, okay?
Hi, please let us know the reason for your visit.
I want to know if I could borrow a lighter. I'm honestly, I have a torch or something. Because Fox Strata, honestly, Press Barnett.
Who is it?
Oh, well. Honesty,
What do you want?
you doing okay? I want to know if you got a lighter I can use.
Get off the property. It is 3 o'clock in the morning. I will shoot you if you come back.
Okay.
Let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. He wants her to stop taking a shower.
Hello? Hello?
Yeah, were you just in the shower?
I'm sorry?
Were you just in the shower?
You want to use my shower? What do you mean?
Were you just in the shower?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, stay out of the shower.
Oh, to do not use the shower?
Stay out of the shower.
What do you need, sir? Don't open the door. Hey, 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 hey. Hey.
Stay out of the shower.
Yeah, thank you.
No, but who's this lady talking right now on your speaker?
It's me, I'm the owner. What's your problem? You're not supposed to open the door like that. I will call the police right now, okay?
Well, there's a whole bunch
You
of
cannot
fucking
go
like weird
inside
ass
my house
candles on
like
the side
that.
of
You
your
cannot do
house.
that.
There's a whole bunch of weird ass candles on the side of your house right now.
All right, bye.
All right, I'm letting you know.
All right, thanks. Bye. Now, get the fuck out of here. Let's call the fucking police, motherfucker.
This lady knows she's in the wrong but chooses to name call. Has a mini tantrum.
Go away. We will call the cops. Go on. I'm calling the cops right now.
Can I help you?
I'm just looking for bottles and cans. Okay?
What did you do with the package?
What?
Please just take the bottles and go.
What?
Take the bottles and go.
Thank you.
These guys get caught up mid-robbery. Good thing she was looking out on camera.
I'm calling the police. I am calling the police right now. I'm calling the cops. Get out of the house right now. I'm calling the cops. The cops are coming. They're stealing shit. I'm calling the cops right now. The cops are coming. I'm calling the police.
Hey man, what do for you?
My fault. I just stopped to take a break.
A break or a nap?
I wasn't finna take nothing.
You're gonna have to move, man.
For sure.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
What's up? Sorry. Is this not Maggie's house?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Oh, you're good.
I'm so sorry, man.
You're fine.
Hey, do it somewhere else. This is my fucking house. What the fuck? This is my fucking house. You can't be doing that shit around here, bro. I gotta do it in the alley. Do it somewhere else. Nah. I have it. I have it. You're gonna do it somewhere else. Don't be doing it. Oh, shit, that's on you, but don't be doing it on my property. Don't you read the fucking sign?
Imagine someone living in your van for a day and a half and you have no clue. Really something out of a movie. Exactly why you should keep those doors locked.
Hi. Can I help you? You got anything to drink? No, I'm sorry, boss. Okay, thank you.
You gave him somewhere to sleep, now he wants to be fed. This video was sent in by Matt. I really appreciate it. You can see him putting on the glove and he's about to check this door.
Yeah, what's up?
Damn, you followed me?
What's up with you? Why are you ringing the bell?
Because you're not allowed to work unless you're a nigga like that. Just to show you what she wants you to do. Don't talk to me! Ever! For until you're over here! You're gonna blow off your fucking head! You people are retarded.
Oh, hi. I was just wondering, does Jason still live here? No. No? Okay, sorry.
What is going on? What is going on? What the fuck's going on? What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is up?
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Please be safe out there. Keep those doors locked. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
This is going.
Hello?
Hello?
They just drove off. They just took part of the slab.
Wait, you don't say nothing?
I just saw it happen.
Hi. It may take a moment to answer. Please wait.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.